Ka result jong ka class 12 arts ba applied da ka embos ne ka sining kong kala long ka ba khampla na maria ka kedan baning kong bat baar la yo ban bat da kipar lok be jan ba kata ka mahima sinha bat ka riti shari khan na ka school saint ni high secondary school la imkra menta kan di ka school saint ni skala yo ban khur hadu south li ki top 10 bat bot sa ka senmans da sangut ka Ramkrishna mission sora ka simiris bat ka holy child pat ki yo marangun ka 7 set ru kala yo lang ban pau kreteng ha ka top 10 ha ka ni ka si la yo ru ban ye kren bat ka mahima ka basa alaim khra kumju ka riti shari khan basa ha ka tun masar ka mahima ka tamtang da shimak ya ka riti shari ban yo ya ka kerdan ka banikong.
I'm extremely grateful to my parents, my father, especially. My father has always been a strength of bone to me, always, because he and my mother, they always wanted me to pursue science, to do medicine, because that's what they believed, that I would excel in the field of medicine. However, ever since I was a child, I always knew that I would want to devote myself to the life of civil services, like Indian administrative services, which is why I was very passionate about humanities, arts, and I somehow tried to convince. When I was in class 11, I was actually a science student here in St. Anthony's for 7 months, for 7 to 8 months.
Why makes you to change to the arts?
Yes. As a child, I was always very passionate about humanities. I would study about Western philosophy. I would study about world history. So I was very fascinated by, the revolution that has occurred all over, whatever that has been. And I've always been a passionate reader, and I've always been in love with literature, and in that ways I had no passion for science at all. But my father, after my 10th board results, he did not ask me. He very randomly got me admitted in St. Anthony's in the science stream, and I couldn't change that. So I was there for 6 to 7 months, and then the turning point came in my life when I was not more than 2 weeks away from my class 11 selection exams in the school. It was just 2 weeks away. I stood up to my father. I told him I had to take my decision. I need to shift to arts because that's what I'm passionate about, and if I do not pursue it, I might regret it later. So he talked to the then principal, Father Surjit Tigga, and I made the shift within 2 days, and I was just 2 weeks away from my selection exams, and everyone was so progressed with their preparations for the selections, and I had no books at all. I didn't know what was the syllabus. Somehow within a week I managed the syllabus, I managed the notes, and I did whatever I could, and I stood 6th in the stream when the results came out, within 2 weeks of preparation without knowing nothing, and I somehow stood 6th, and that actually helped me build my confidence in my academics. The last year that I went in class 12, I stood the 2nd in my stream in the selection exams, but the last selection exams that occurred in November last year, I stood the 5th again. My graph went down again, and which is why kind of shattered my confidence. But this morning as I woke up to my results, yes, it was an incredible. Success is a very the person behind success is a very a very subjective term, I would say, because it was everything basically. My father, for having believed in me, I would say it was my father who actually extremely believed in me, because it was always his dream for his daughter to take up medicine, and for his daughter to make the shift must have been quite a little traumatic experience for him, but he didn't show that. He supported that. And my mother, she has always been my bone of strength, and my parents, the institution, it was everything. Always the school, the prestigious school, St. Anthony's, my principal, Father Anthony Kakungo, who was more like my best friend. He is a very humble man, and he believed in me. My teachers, Miss Rimi, Miss Fida, Miss Wanpinsuk, all of them, they utterly adored me, and I adored them back, and my parents, of course.
Ngam so diaura namar bi imahima basong hajan jonga nga ju irunga ye I ka rukom 3 minute jungi but we put pledging mut top te habanga pedu ye kalis bi offers ngalom bi by shisha ken I deserve shisha gani namar by la 3 shisha minute baru mangaru dena ba habanga pedinga pedi iru te yala dirung aku abane 3 minute lang kan te kum tangam so diaura denga kemen nga ingo shisha yu blenga kemen bang ngala ruat banyo ha kalis kan habang apit lang rui ki question paper ki barim but habang compare pat ni ka 2020 question paper shisha hanga te ka namar ngakan mau ru por ni don pol science namar ka jingkli kala pherte te por ni shor ru ha exam ni to pol science mas na pe question paper nga song thubit baro khana hang tu long klai tieng te long la song thub kala pher ken namar jingkli kya long ru ki ba but ru don ki bangam te walang lapin kre kat bang lapin kre long pat ki jingkli pat kilawan kilong sha ki bai hangan ong kum ta ken shwaban sang kre ko shwaban sang ru ya ka 11 trophy hapar khat hi te long fi kwa nem kwa kani fi kwa nem kwa ban le bhane fi long fi hap tu sho halade ken ke ba fi kwa te ka jingpen kre ta ka wan ru na ka jingarap chong I ki no hikai hinmen para jonga batu niki parlok dayo kitu ki parlok ki babha ki banya lam bhai fi te niki tu hi nga ai borom ki kin banga laban poish tu sini ken kumta hi jing pan khra jonga kalo ingkong tu te nga ai borom shayu blai klem dam kan long sha ka ba namar ba hak bande hakup kan karta te ki don shisha bon ki jing om tang ha ki school long hayeng ru ki boni ki jing teling ba sha ga jing lam jong bre te batu ne jong dang hikai ki mi ki pa be hin para jonga te tay ngai buram ki hin kong do kathom jingsha te ngan ong hok tanga dang long interest phaya ka long adang pe ja ka interest jonga te ka dang don ban puli hi ban pe hi pan tu hadin pat kan yalam shake ta ki bon ru ki distractions but ha jo ko por pan long ki ong gen ba time management ka bha de nga pat ngam da nang pha ban manage ka time hende la da filabul pa ka thong te fin sanang hi te ban ka sawan hi te ka style di ban crack en kumno ngate nga krebe bon ki por min mi ngam dalat han min sin min step nga kham jai to nga persang hi de ka bor jonga ta ka lombe ki por min mi thi ning kong du sha da nga prakhat de kong jonga hin men jonga ai shisha ya rap sha nga na do bas dang hi na do class 11 na do class 10 ni shwa ka taru ilong sha ga long ka hope jonga te I yong ba yang let pe cha ta le hi be long ide shami kan source of inspiration na benta jonga de hejo ko por pan ngai bu rom khamtam ne tai me jonga te da sacrifice sha da 3 minutes sha te khami iru buat lai me shai bun kamru de nga song thu par heki jing duai shai bu ben benta jonga te iru ngai bu rom khamtam iru kan be okay te na benta ki we khnapan nganong ki ba fi hab wat hi la ka jong ka style ban khrap kon long wala ki we ki ong of fi hab khre ka tabri du ka ta long wat hila ka jong ka style ne fi hab te bru ya ka daw bele fi khre long la ka de na benta jong fi ne benta jong kmi khpa ne fi abwat phai ka daw le din ta yal be chetu ka thongken dan ta kat kum ka ta hi fin wat hila ka jong ka style le di ban khre
layo ru ban yakren bat ki armut ki samla na ram krishna mission sorak babat ka kedan ka basau bat ka basan ka bakentup yo gideon lingdo bat uban siudor do ling
Andre hanga khamda dan butte banle bangan ngampoi berkhari ru bangan poi hakane kerdan handai gade ta kading sitam jonga kading minat adu bastang school ai ngapulekat nga pelet untuk ndreu kanta hoi nga I hoi kading amin sim na yang je email kha je email yai ki bahing hasam ki amin sim nga bangan sitam khnang bang ngan khampoi sakhamat nang ne sakhamat ngadang mot ban pule BA LLB hanehu
haka jingal inti kum khana school te sem nga dalong haka hapor ki exam kum batang song class 10 ne ki primary level mo secondary level e kito long ngamda kham trish tom hate long komentar pada nga trish tom ha karika 12 exam mo long nga kham trish tom te kita ki ya per ya nila be kenduru ki jing e khana school mo ka jing em long kamtam ngi dina kalau yang ka badok long tang ba ngi bu pe ya ta ka thong ba ka jing do kam la pan khang te la dang dan ka thong ngen ning kong nga kumu kristan mo long ka ai ka jing e ka bang asyam ka jing em ki baro nga duai su blai nga pan don u blai tabo kini ki baro ki nga ai ngi u blai hoi ka ti stom ka long ka jong nga ka du si ban ki jing e andai nga duai u blai ban pelat te yang kini ki jing e bon ai bor yang nga pangan tres stom su katakan kita long ka bangan pos thong ke kong ni sha be ublai nak ta de email I henman jonga gi henman gi para baro ki ba ni sien nga but kam ta di kino hikai ru ki ba la tresitom menyarap nga ki ba ni sien nga ngala expect hi bangan yo ya kan ka thong no hikai ru ki ju inspire mo yang ju ai siem pila ban le kata kan jadi ka thong bang ki ka jing ai siem jong ki ka peluang yang abangan dan kot cakapkan.
Nakaliang principal ka Saint Anthony Sufada Anthony Khogor ong ba ka jingpau lang ki week school hakani ka result ka peni bala da ki khna ki tresitom omdon kam kanu ka bala ban khang ki
pe ka jing i jonga hakat banga dona school nga ju i habanga le ki science stream classroom ikin du khna nga don interaction ka jing kran bat ki ngai i ka jing long seriousness ka jong ki ha ki kam ki jam ha ki jing puli puti umju ha ko kom basru Henry bara bor nga ju i kini ki stream jo ki arts ngamti balai na ka daw yu ki khna jong ki ya shim sting lut mar ki khen ba o ka ki subject jong ki arts ki long ki basuk to omle le ni ne prepare last moment pi na ka ta ka daw try ka don kini ka drawback shidin noi nang ni mat pat ngan sa page ba ki khna ki be ni de ban motivate bhai kini ki art stream la dang la ki o ki wi ki liang man tar ni kwa hi pat sa shisian ba ki art stream ki de ban le ka competition kumba yo ki size ba ki arts